Today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the ZeroWater 20 cup ready pour 5-stage water filter pitcher, white and blue color. I got this for $30.99 plus tax, but free shipping. So the total is $33.70. And with this one, it also comes with a water quality meter tester. So it will test out the pH balance. Anyway, the review on this one is the best one out there. So if you like to filter your water, this will be the best one to get. Okay, so let's go and then open this up and see what we got here. Wow, pretty big. So ZeroWater 5-stage advanced filtration, water quality meter, and ion exchange filter, 20 cups, ready pour dispenser, 4.7 liter. This is what's the item gonna look like. So this one has a certified to reduce lead and PFOA or PFOS. So you could test your tap water current filtration system and compare to ZeroWater. So that's what we're going to do to test it out. And reports dissolve solids in parts per million. Dissolved solids refer to mineral, salt, and metal dissolved in your tap water, which may affect taste. Change your filter when the meter reads 006 for the product to continue to perform as represent. So this is what the meter is going to look like. So you do is dip the meter into the cup and then test out for the result. Could also visit their website. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. Purchased my own money, so there's a different stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So give you the best result for your water. Designed in USA, assembled in Mexico with the imported component. Anyway, let's go and then open this up. Here's some performance results. clip on here. In this nice shrink wrap. Also got this nice dispenser right here. Here's a lid, and then wow, filter is so big. And then there's a tray right here. Here is the meter right here, TDS tester. Oh, the battery's already in there. There's a whole button. Wonder what kind of battery. Probably the oxidized battery, the coin type. I put the batteries back here. Yep. So two of this battery, probably AG something. So let me see. Should I know the orientation? Push it from this side. Oh. It's a LR44. Let me show the positive is on the top. Uh-oh. Which way is it? Oh my god, it fit both ways. Probably this way. Nope, wrong way. They should have designed to fit on only one direction, so bad design. So the positive which is over here, facing the front or the top of the display. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna wash this and then do some tests. So let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, we might want to wash the tray too, so maybe I'll put the cap back for the filter. I want to wash it, everything clean before I put the water in there and filtrate it. Okay, so I rinsed out everything already. I'm going to install the filter. You cannot just drop this. You gotta screw from the bottom up. Just put it in there. So before we put the water in there, I'm gonna have 3 different cups. One is the tap water, and then one is the water from the refrigerator filtration, and then the third one will be coming out from here. Alright, so this one's the tap water, and this one is the water from the fridge. It's been filtered. And this one is the tap water. I'm gonna pour in to here, the ZeroWater. So let's go ahead and test out the water quality. Wow, this one shows, let me put it on hold. This one shows 269, pretty high. Go and check out the filter water from the fridge. This one shows 222. So the water is going down pretty fast. So we're going to get the water out onto this cup and then test it out. That should be enough. this. It shows 000. Nice. By the way, this is where you storage the tester or the meter. It's kind of has a tight fit, so you need to use like a both hand to push it down. So on the top right here, you can add the ice if you want to filter out your ice. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below about this filtration system. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.